In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to self-host a Base44 app on a VPS. We'll go through the basic workflow of exporting your project from Base44 and preparing it on your server so you can continue the deployment process in your own environment. This is a useful approach if you want more control over hosting, infrastructure, and configuration. First, go to Base44 and sign in to access your apps. Once you're in, open the specific project you want to self-host inside the Base44 app editor. Make sure you've selected the correct project before moving on, especially if you manage multiple apps in the same workspace. After the project is open, look at the top menu and click on Dashboard. This will take you to the area where you can manage the project outside of the visual editing view. From there, return to the top menu and click on the three-dot menu. This is where additional project actions are usually tucked away. In that menu, choose Export Project as zip. This will download your project files to your local computer as a compressed zip archive. Depending on the size of your project and your internet connection, this may take a few moments. Once the download finishes, keep the file somewhere easy to find because you'll need it for the next part of the process. Now connect to your VPS provider using SSH and configure the required environment on the server. This could be with providers such as Hostinger, Hetzner, or Ramnode, but the general idea is the same no matter which VPS you use. At this stage, you want to make sure your server is reachable, that you can log in successfully, and that the environment your app needs is ready. It's a good idea to verify your working directory and confirm you're setting things up in the right location before uploading or extracting any files. Once you're back in the Base44 interface, click on Code. This section is helpful when you need to review the project's code structure or reference what was generated before you continue with hosting and deployment on your VPS. It can also help you confirm that the exported project matches what you expect from the app you built. That's the full process shown here. Access your app, open it in the editor, go to the dashboard, open the extra options menu, export the project as a zip, connect to your VPS through SSH, configure the environment, and then use the code section as needed for reference. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll have your Base44 project ready for self-hosting on your own VPS.